Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to become a Gearbest Affiliate Program partner and start earning money. In the video we'll cover Gearbest and the Gearbest Associate Program basics, the registration process, how to earn commission, affiliate program and site navigation, Gearbest Associate blog, benefits and associate privileges. So this is the Gearbest website and everything it offers. Gearbest is an established online vendor for 5 years in the global e-commerce sector with 30 million registered users on the website. You can visit the affiliate website from Gearbest by scrolling to the bottom and clicking on the Make Money link. And then from there, navigating to Start Earning Money Now or the Associate Program. You can also type in affiliate.gearbest.com in the address bar to reach it as well. The Gearbest Associate Program is great because there are no setup fees, it pays up to 50% commission depending on the item, a wide variety of quality products are offered, it has a 30-day cookie duration, and a dedicated partner support team. To start making money with Gearbest Associate Program, you need to create an account. Registration is fast, easy, simple, and free. To start registering, you can go to the website and click on the Sign Up button. Or you can go to affiliate.gearbest.com/sign up to begin the process. Some basic information is needed in the beginning, such as your email, create a password, make it something secure. Next, agree to the Gearbest terms and conditions as well as the privacy policies after you read them and understand them fully. In the second step, you need to complete some basic information about yourself, such as your first name, last name, languages that you speak, your country, your contact number, and any websites or groups that you have. So if you have a Facebook group, you're going to put that in there. If you have Twitter account, if you have any kind of social media, you're going to want to put those in there and fill all of this information out. Anywhere that you can display products with your affiliate links or do reviews, you're going to want to put these in there. Select your currency and then select the category that you primarily would choose to review products in. Once you've got the form filled out, you can click Create Your Account and your account will have been successfully created. Now you can go to your email and click on the activation link and follow the prompts to fully activate your account. If you haven't received the verification email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder where the email might have been put. If you don't receive the email, or by the time you get it, the link is expired, click on the Resend Activation Email button. Once you're logged into the Gearbest affiliate website, this is the home screen that you're presented with, and we're going to go over the entire website. But first, let's just take a look at this home screen. So here we've got the banner that shows a referral bonus program offer, and the banner here will cycle different bonuses or things that you can do as an associate to earn money with the program. Down here, we've got the latest news. You can see news about the affiliate program, if there's going to be any maintenance on it. You can also, again, get information on bonuses, commission for special items. So the latest news section is going to be your portal for what is going on with the Gearbest Associate website. The dashboard also allows a really convenient account overview without having to go any further. You can see your sales, you can see your number of clicks, you can see your commission, you can see everything. And you also get your account overview for the last 30 days with sales, your available balance, your total order count, clicks, and what your current average conversion rate is. So everything is all right here for you. Scrolling down a little bit, we've also got products that the system will recommend for us to promote. The Gearbest Associate Program has a lot of options in it, but we're going to go over some of the key sections that you need to know about in order to earn money and get paid. So the first section that we need to look at is the reports. The reports are going to tell you how you're doing. How are your sales? You can track your sales by date, and you can see the number of clicks, the sale amount for that specific day, your order count. We can also go to the ad report page. Now the ad report page is where you can see how your individually generated links are doing. So you can see which links are doing good, which links are falling flat, You can see the number of clicks. You can edit the link. You can get the copy of it here, or you can just get the text version to embed in the website. This page is very useful to see how your links are doing. We've also got the order report, because even though someone may click on your link, that doesn't mean they're going to order the item from that link. They could order something else. So this is going to be what people are ordering. So for example, we can see this order here included this little item from Toys and Hobbies. The unit price was $37. The total price was $37, and it showed our commission rate. So you can get the orders, the commission rates, and all that information is right here for you, just to see what kind of products are people buying from your links that you're putting up in your Facebook groups, your YouTube videos, your Twitter. This will help you kind of figure out exactly what you can do to increase your revenue. The tracking system at Gearbest is very solid. When someone buys a product, you will get the credit for it, and it will show up in your control panel as long as they use your affiliate link. And remember, because the links have cookies that last up to 30 days, that's 30 days from the point that someone clicks your link. If they go back to the Gearbest website and they order something, you will receive the credit for it. Now I'll show you how to actually get links to share for all these statistics that we're looking at here. So to get links, we can go to the Ad Center, and there are a few different options. For one, we can go to the Promoted Products section and click on New Arrivals. You can see all the new products at Gearbest that have just come in that need to be promoted. So we can get a link right here, and the link will be automatically generated for us. We can either get the straight direct link that we could paste anywhere, or we could get the link code for a blog, a forum that supports HTML, or really anywhere that you can use a code to put the link. But there's another way to generate links that I use quite often, and that's the custom link generator. And to do that, you can go to Ad Center, Deep Link, and click on Custom Link Generator. This will allow you to link to any product on the Gearbest website. So for example, if we go to the Gearbest website and we want to promote a 3D printer, we can search for 3D printer, and we could scroll down and choose a 3D printer to promote. Once we have the link to the printer, we can copy the URL that's up in our browser bar by right-clicking and pressing copy. Now you can go back to the Gearbest Associate Program and punch in the Gearbest URL. We can give the link a name, and then we can click Create Code or Create a Link. Now you're ready to spread this link anywhere you want, and you'll be getting tracking of who's clicking it, who bought from it, and it'll all be right here in your Gearbest Associate panel. And that the link is now available to track. And we have got 3D printer here, we've got the date it was added, and we've got the number of clicks, and all of that will be updated in due time. Once you start promoting your links and you've earned some money, you can go to the Payment Center and make a withdrawal. The Withdrawal Center will show how much balance you have to withdraw. You can transfer your commission balance to PayPal as long as you have $100, to WebMoney if you have $100, and for a bank transfer, you can do that for $1,000. You can also transfer your commission balance to a coupon code as well. All balance is all of your commission minus the commission that you have withdrawn. Available balance is the commission on that sale 45 to 60 days after the order payment. Orders are validated in a 40 to 45 day period, although Brazil is 60 days. You can click on Transfer Commission Balance once you have enough money, and you can enter your PayPal account, the withdrawal amount, set a transaction password, and the Gearbest will pay you in due time. The Gearbest Affiliate Program will also provide you products free to review. To get to that section, you can go to Product Review and click on Products for Review. This is where you can see what items are currently available to try to get. Some of them you can get at a discount and others are just free. So if you click on Free to Get, you'll be presented with an application to apply to review the product. If you're approved, they'll ship it out to you, and then you can do the review, attach your affiliate link to it, and start getting paid for promoting it. Another way to earn money through the Gearbest Associate Program is through the Referral Bonus Program. So with the Referral Bonus Program, you're not selling products, but you are encouraging others to join the affiliate system at Gearbest. If you invite new associates to join and they make sales, then you will make money from their sales. So for starters, your invitation link is here, and you can click on this link and share it. You can share it here on Facebook or Twitter right from the console. And anyone who registers as a result of you sharing the affiliate link, if they make money, you will make money. So you can earn up to $100 of the invited account's sales as a referral bonus. And during certain periods, you can also win extra money if they have a bonus going on. So there's potential to earn money here, not just selling products, but by helping other people, referring them to join this program here at Gearbest. One of the things that Gearbest provides to all affiliates is the Gearbest Associate blog. The Associate blog is your one-stop shop for promotions, campaigns, associate training, and the official user guide. So the Associate blog will have really important promotions. Under the promotions category, we've got the daily deals. Now, the daily deals section is where you're going to find the best deals, discounts, and coupons. And these are going to be updated twice daily. So you're going to scroll and you're going to see product links, prices, and promotional codes that you can use with the Gearbest Associate Program. So again, you're going to update. This is going to be updated twice daily, so you're going to want to check this page really often. Under the promotion category, we've also got the under $10 deal zone. And these are associates' weekly favorites, and the Gearbest 10-day bestsellers are all here as well. So anything that's under $10 here, you're going to find it. So if you're looking for some really cheap items to promote, this is the place to be. And you're also going to see some really high commission items here, such as there's a Gearbest 5th anniversary shopping gift bag for 42% off. So some of these items are going to have a really, really high commission rate, even though they're cheap. So that way you can still earn some good money off of them. Under the promotion section, we also have the weekly star gear. And this is the section where you can enjoy ultra higher commission rates than you're given from normally selling Gearbest products. So anything that's like an all-star item that they really want to promote, maybe it's a seasonal thing, you're going to find it here in this section under the weekly star gear. You're also going to go to the campaign section, and this is where you're going to see different ad campaigns that you can use for the products. There's a referral bonus, there's fresh new associate tasks and exclusive perks that you can get today. These are just some of the campaigns that are currently being run through the associate program. This is going to basically give you an index of all those campaigns. There's also beginner guides and associate training. The associate training has useful tips, tutorials, and other success stories that will help you further and grow yourself as an affiliate in the program. In the user guide, this is where you're going to get the full understanding of the Gearbest Associate account dashboard. Everything here is completely and totally documented. You can also see a full documentation on the registration system, the home page, the ad center, anything that you have an in-depth question about or you want to see more information beyond the scope of this video. The user guide section is where you need to be. Overall, the Gearbest Associate blog is going to provide you a one-stop place for information, promotions, and generally good tips for associates. Right now, it's a great time to be a new associate at Gearbest because Gearbest is providing new associates some benefits and privileges for joining. So the first privilege is that you can enjoy a VIP level commission rate in the first 30 days. So these are really, really high commission rates just for being a brand new member. This is to help you just get started to making money. Privilege number 2, you can earn $5 just for your first click. Privilege number 3, you can earn $20 for your first $200 worth of sales. Privilege number 4, here you can get various coupons and discount codes that are only going to work as a new associate. So these are some of the coupon codes that you might see if you're a new associate to the website. So basically, Gearbest is helping to give you, a new associate, tons of ways to get started with a good foot in the door to making money with their program. There are thousands of great products to choose from on the website, and with the benefits program, there's really no reason to wait. So join the affiliate program today and start making money with the Gearbest Affiliate Program.